What up, gang? Man, it feels like an eternity since I made a video for you guys. I've been moving and it's just been a little bit crazy because I'm renovating this one property that I'm coming into, but we're starting to get parts trickling in for the bike. I will have my mechanic basically put them in, and then we did order a PC6 for this bike, which is a Power Commander 6, and we are going to dyno tune this particular bike using a Power Commander. So I'm really excited about that. You know, I'll tell you this, one thing that's been kind of actually interesting getting to know this bike is that stock, she sounds really good. And on top of that too, it performs quite well. I'm praying that post flash and everything too that we do, at least the Power Commander and everything, that we don't lose the butter feel that we have on the quick shifter. I'm still waiting also for the new Rage fender delete on this one here. I'm not sure what's taking them so long. Typically when I order something, it gets here in 1 or 2 days. It's been over a week now. But everything's been kind of delayed, I guess, because of the holiday that happened. But other than that, I'm really excited to put the AT2 on this bike here. I'm almost positive it's going to sound amazing. I mean, when I say amazing, it's going to sound amazing once it's on there. But yeah, I've really haven't ridden this bike much, guys, at all. I really haven't ridden any of my bikes much lately, mainly because I've been kind of on project here, trying to get this done. The ceramic coating on this bike just looks like liquid. It's so shiny. And in that little package right there is the stomp grip. So I will apply those as well to the bike, probably a little bit later tonight when it comes on. But I definitely want to get that pipe placed. And then I got to take it down to Armadillo. And the owner of Armadillo is going to go ahead and actually end up doing the Power Commander and getting this map put onto the bike, which I think is going to help it tremendously. And at the same time too, hopefully it's going to be able to give it, or unlock, I should say, unleash power that so far is not on the actual restricted ECU. So we're going to unrestrict all that stuff once we get down to it. But other than that, guys, everything is going well. I still need to obviously get this garage moved over there and everything, but I'm waiting because they're basically putting in the actual epoxy flooring in my new place, and he's doing it today, so I won't be able to move the bikes or anything from the garage for the next several days. But I am very excited about this bike, as pretty much excited as I was about the Panigale when I got it, and very, very excited to start riding again. Once I get settled in, I'll be back on the bike pretty much every day, rolling out videos once or twice a day like I was before. But right now, guys, I'm kind of in this nesting mode, trying to get everything done and get this house that I have here prepared for my renter coming in. So other than that, I love you guys. I appreciate your patience with the channel. Please like, follow, subscribe, hit the bell. That way you guys can get all the new videos that we have coming out. And I do have a surprise bike that's going to be coming as well that I think you guys are going to just flip out when you see it. So been working out a deal while I'm getting ready to move and stuff like that. So other than that, guys, I love you. I appreciate you. And if you guys need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. I will do my best to make a video for you. But the ZX-10RR, guys, is legit. It's a flipping legit bike. Love it. Can't wait to go ahead and start really rocking on it. And can't wait to get to the track, really. It's going to be fun. We got track day coming up here shortly. So I will be taking several bikes down there. I'm going to be taking the R1. I will be taking this bike. And I will be taking the Panigale. So we'll have 3 bikes to track that we're going to be able to use. And it's going to be one heck of a nice track day. But can't wait to film all that for you guys and report back. But I appreciate you. And like I said, guys, please share the videos with your buddies who are really into these bikes. But this one here's a rare one. Very difficult to get. We got it. And it's going to be one heck of a fun build process, which I will film and show you guys all the goodies that we're going to be putting on this bike. Other than that, too, and the funny thing is, too, the Rizomas are behind schedule as well. Everything's behind schedule, guys. We're starting to see that supply crunch due to the economy. And, you know, we will see. But, gosh, look at that Brembo. I just love the master cylinders, and these things are so great. Anyway, you guys are amazing. Appreciate you all. Have a wonderful Tuesday. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. CK out.